Navigating the complexities of immigration in New York City extends beyond securing essential documents. It also involves understanding and accessing the vital public benefits and resources available to immigrants. These resources form a crucial safety net, providing support during the transition period and contributing to the establishment of a stable and prosperous life in the city. However, accessing these benefits often presents its own set of challenges, requiring knowledge of eligibility criteria, application procedures, and potential bureaucratic hurdles. This section will illuminate these crucial resources, offering guidance to help you navigate the system effectively. One of the most critical aspects of establishing a life in NYC is healthcare. The city offers a range of healthcare options for immigrants, including publicly funded programs like Medicaid and the Essential Plan. Medicaid, a joint federal and state program, provides low-income individuals and families with healthcare coverage. Eligibility for Medicaid is based on income and household size, with varying criteria depending on your immigration status. Specifically, certain immigration statuses may impose waiting periods before becoming eligible for Medicaid. For instance, individuals who have recently arrived in the United States may face a 5-year waiting period before they can receive full Medicaid benefits. However, exceptions exist for pregnant women, children, and individuals experiencing medical emergencies. The Essential Plan, another crucial program, fills the gap for those who earn too much to qualify for Medicaid but cannot afford private insurance. It provides a lower-cost alternative with comprehensive coverage. Understanding the specific requirements for Medicaid and the Essential Plan, which can vary from year to year based on state and federal changes, necessitates careful review of the guidelines and may require consultation with a healthcare navigator or legal professional. The application process itself involves submitting various forms and documentation, including proof of income, residency, and immigration status. Accuracy in completing these forms is vital to ensure a smooth processing of your application. Errors or omissions can lead to significant delays, ultimately delaying your access to essential healthcare. Beyond healthcare, access to nutritious food is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program (SNAP), commonly known as food stamps, provides food assistance to low-income individuals and families. Eligibility for SNAP, like Medicaid, is determined by income and household size. The application process typically involves submitting documentation that demonstrates your income, residence, and household composition. Similar to the healthcare application process, it's imperative to ensure accuracy in filling out all the necessary forms and providing accurate supporting documentation to avoid delays. The benefit amount varies depending on income levels and household size. Moreover, various community organizations and food banks throughout NYC provide supplemental food assistance to those in need, working to reduce food insecurity among immigrant populations. These organizations often collaborate closely with immigrant service providers to ensure access to their resources. Securing safe and affordable housing is another fundamental need for immigrants. The city offers various housing assistance programs, including public housing, Section 8 vouchers, and rental assistance programs. Public housing is provided by the New York City Housing Authority (NYCHA), offering affordable housing units to low-income families and individuals. The waiting list for public housing can be extensive. However, several programs aim to expedite the process for particular vulnerable groups. Section 8 vouchers provide subsidies to help individuals pay rent in private housing. These vouchers are allocated based on income and family size. Several nonprofit organizations work closely with immigrant communities to help them navigate the application process and find suitable housing options. These organizations often provide essential support to those unfamiliar with the system, assisting them in gathering required documentation and ensuring applications are correctly submitted. Furthermore, rental assistance programs offer financial support to assist low-income families and individuals in meeting their rental obligations. The eligibility criteria for these programs can be complex, depending on factors like income, household size, and immigration status. Understanding these criteria and gathering the appropriate documentation are essential for successful application. Immigrants might encounter particular challenges in securing housing due to factors like language barriers, lack of credit history, or discrimination. However, numerous community-based organizations offer assistance in navigating the housing application processes and address the challenges immigrants may face. Education plays a pivotal role in integration and economic advancement. NYC offers a robust public education system, serving students from kindergarten through 12th grade. Adult education programs cater to those seeking to improve their English language skills, obtain a high school equivalency diploma (GED), or acquire job-related skills. These programs are often free or low cost and provide pathways to higher education and employment opportunities. Many community colleges and universities also provide programs and assistance specifically targeted towards the immigrant population, offering financial aid and support services. Navigating the intricacies of the higher education system can be complex for newly arrived immigrants. They may encounter difficulties related to language proficiency, understanding financial aid opportunities, and understanding the application procedures. Community-based organizations and immigrant service providers offer valuable support to overcome these barriers, helping students complete their applications and providing guidance on financial aid options. These organizations often act as bridges between the immigrant community and educational institutions, ensuring the successful integration of newcomers into the education system. Beyond these core services, several other crucial resources are available to immigrants in NYC. These include legal aid services, job training programs, and mental health services. Legal aid organizations provide free or low-cost legal assistance to low-income immigrants facing legal challenges, including immigration issues, housing disputes, and employment discrimination. Job training programs help immigrants acquire new skills and enhance their career prospects. These programs often partner with employers to provide on-the-job training and placement assistance. Mental health services provide crucial support for immigrants navigating the stress and challenges of adapting to a new culture and environment. These services are particularly important for those who have experienced trauma or loss in their home countries. Several nonprofit organizations dedicated to serving the immigrant population offer comprehensive support services, including assistance with accessing public benefits, language translation, and cultural orientation. Accessing these benefits and resources is a crucial step in building a stable life in NYC. However, the process can be challenging, and it's crucial to be persistent and seek assistance when needed. Language barriers, lack of awareness of available resources, and complex application procedures can create significant obstacles. This is where community-based organizations, immigrant rights groups, and legal aid services prove to be invaluable allies. These organizations often provide language translation, application assistance, and advocacy support, helping immigrants overcome bureaucratic hurdles and secure the resources they need. They can also connect individuals with other crucial services such as employment training, healthcare, navigation, and social support networks. In conclusion, the journey of an immigrant in New York City involves not just obtaining necessary documents, but also navigating the system to access essential public benefits and resources. These benefits, encompassing healthcare, food assistance, housing, education, and legal support, form a critical foundation for building a secure and prosperous life in the city. Understanding the eligibility requirements, application procedures, and available support systems is crucial for maximizing access to these resources. By combining knowledge of the available programs with the help of community organizations and legal professionals, immigrants can successfully navigate the system and establish a solid base for themselves and their families in New York City. The path may have its challenges, but with diligence and the right resources, a successful and fulfilling life in the city is attainable.